Hi friends, welcome to Geranium Red Kids. Look what I have today. A picture of beautiful and pretty shapes, but they look a little lonely. They need some magic color. Look at our magic marker. We have beautiful color today. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Magic marker. Are you ready to color? Let's go. Look at our beautiful pic now. It's so bright, colorful, and happy. We learned all shape and color today. You did amazing job. If you love coloring with me today, don't forget to click the red button and subscribe to the Wonder Kids for more magical coloring fun. See you next time, friends. Bye bye.